Hi, this is your English class, everybody, and today we are starting with our writing section. We are going to learn today how to write an application to the principal. So, at some point of time, we need to take leave from school, but we get the leave only if we write the application letter mentioning the reason behind it to the concerned person. So, if you are in school, you will write an application to principal. It is really essential to submit an application to the principal when you are planning to go out for a few days with family or friends, or if you're not well and the doctors advise you to take rest for some days. So these are the different reasons why we write application to the principal in order to take leave from. You just cannot take leave from school without noticing and notifying or informing anybody. So application is a kind of way to take permission for leave from the principal, and also it is a kind of way for informing that you are going to take leave. Various reasons to write an application: leave due to illness, leave as you have to attend the marriage, leave as you are going out of station, or any other personal reason you want to take leave for. So you can write application for all these things to the principal. Now we will discuss the format of the application writing. So here it goes. You will start writing application from left side of the page. Everything of each and every line of the application is going to start from the left side of the page. We'll start with to the principal, because it is principal of the school whom you are writing application to, because he or she is the concerned authority you will be informing and taking permission for leave. So to the principal, and then after that you will write the name of the school, for example Macrovision Academy Burhanpur, and then you will write date. It is very important to mention the subject because it is a formal application you are writing to the principal. For example, you want to take leave for 3 days, so reason of the application you have to mention in the subject, that is leave for 3 days. Salutation means respected sir or ma'am. You have to address them like that, and then you will write the content that you are the students of so and so class, and you are taking you are, for example, if you are ill or something, you will write there that you are ill and these are the symptoms, and you have been advised to take rest for these many days, that's why you are taking leave, then kindly grant me leave. All these things comes in the content, and then you will end your letter with thanking you, yours obediently, your name and your class. So this is the perfect format for writing application. For any sort of reason you want to write application, this is the format. Moving on, I'll tell you one more example. Now you are a student of class 6 and you are not well as you are suffering from viral fever. Write an application to your school's principal asking for 3 days leave. So now how you will write this application? Moving here, to the principal of Macrovision Academy Burhanpur, date is 18/9/2020, subject application for leave. Respected sir, madam, with due respect, I beg to say that I am not in a state to attend school as I am down due to the viral fever. I have been advised by our family doctor that I have to take proper rest for at least 3 days. Therefore, kindly grant me leave for 3 days. I shall be really thankful to you. So at the end the student is ending with thanking you, yours obediently, then name and then class. So this is how you write your application. This is the perfect format for writing an application, guys. So I hope you understood this well, and thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in next class. Till then, take care and be safe.